Hi, I'm Aaron, and in today's video we're going to do a walkthrough of the new 2024 Transit Custom Trend. Starting with the front, you can see the biggest update of the vehicle. In the middle you get the white Ford badge now, which is new to the Transit Custom. You also get the LED headlights as standard as well as a functional air intake. Underneath the bonnet, not much has changed. We still have the 125 kilowatt 2-litre turbocharged engine. However, it is fitted with an 8-speed auto transmission now. The new Trend comes standard with a single sliding door. You can option on a second sliding door if need be. Moving to the back of the vehicle, the barn doors are still standard. There's no more hard stop anymore. The doors will go past the side of the car. On the second door, there is a button to press to open this other door. This will open up the vehicle nice and wide. It makes getting a pallet with a forklift inside the van very, very easy. You can also option on a rear liftgate if you require. The new Transit Custom is still fitted with the extra cargo space that everyone knows and loves. This allows you to get 3-meter lengths of wood or timber or whatever you might need for your work site inside the vehicle. The jack for the van is also located against the rear door. Another big quality of life improvement is to the rear. They are using an independent rear suspension. The front wheel has also been moved forward just to make the car even more comfortable. The model shown here today is just the standard white. However, they can be ordered in 50 different colors to match your business and your work style. The biggest update you're going to notice with the new Transit Custom is inside the cab, with lots of tech updates as well as quality of life improvements. The Transit Custom is also fitted with the bench seat as standard. That also lifts up for extra storage if need be. The center seat is also equipped with a workstation that will hold your clipboards and paperwork nice and secure, as well as the driver's armrest. The passenger side is fitted with extra storage that is more thought out and more convenient for your day-to-day work. Now that the shifter has changed to the column, the center seat now gets a lot more legroom for those comfortable drives to and from the worksite. In the center, you will also see a wireless phone charger, as well as a drop-out cup holder, some USB points, a 12-volt socket. The handbrake has also become electric now and is also in the middle of the vehicle. One of the biggest changes you will find in the new Transit Custom is the indicator and gear selector is now on the stalk. This takes away the repetitive strain of having to manually move a stick from reverse and drive. It is very easy to go between the gears. And to go into park, you simply just push on the end. Everyone who is a fan of the Ranger will love the 8-inch digital display on here. It is very similar to what you have driven in the past with the other Fords. The steering wheel, again, is very similar to the Ranger. It is a slightly different shape. It does make getting in and out of the cabin very, very easy. If you are getting into the center seat from the driver side, it is very easy to slide across without getting stuck on the steering wheel. Another major change with the new Transit Custom is the center screen. If you look below the screen, you will see a button to change all your drive modes. This will let you go between normal, eco, slippery, and your tow and haul modes. The other button to the right-hand side will bring up your driver assistance. You've got the auto stop start, auto hold, traction control, as well as some additional settings for your cruise control and your speed limit assist. The button to the right of that one is the navigate to parking button, which will bring up your Ford navigation system and show you where the closest parking is. And then you've got your max heater for the window. You will notice that there is no hard aircon or heating controls. These are now controlled on the touchscreen. On the right-hand side, you can see your temperature, your driver's heated seat, as well as your auto buttons, the button to change the direction of where the air is coming, as well as the buttons to change the fan speed and your passenger heated seat as well. On your home screen, you can navigate between your Ford navigation, your phone selection, your Apple CarPlay, as well as your radio station. You will also find all the settings for the vehicle on here as well. The Custom Trend will come in the short and the long wheelbase with the options mentioned before. There will also be a Custom Sport variant coming later in the year. We're also getting the Tornio, which is an 8-seater people mover. We don't have a release date for this yet, so stay tuned for more information. Thank you for watching our video on the new Transit Custom. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe.